Welcome back to Snippet Coder, and we are back with our fourth video streaming radio series. And in this video we will implement the debounce search for searching the radio in our local database and update the list using provider. So first of all we will go to our dbservice.dart file, and there we will add one new method. We will add static future list map string dynamic row query, and we are passing one parameter, that is string SQL, and we are making it as a async, and we are returning here db.rowQuery and passing the SQL here. So what we are doing here is we have created one method of row query, and here we will create the query on the basis of search keyword, and we will pass that keyword in that query and fetch the data from the SQLite. Now we will update our db download service.dart file, and we will implement that new method which we have created in the db service, that is row query. And here we have to pass the parameter string search query, and we are initializing it with empty, so that in case of the first run of the application we are not passing any search query. All the data will be fetched without any filtering. Now here we will write the code string row query is equal to select radios dot id, radio name, radio URL, then we have radio description, then we have radio website, then we have radio pick, here we will check if the search query is not equal to empty, then only we will do the filtering and all. Now we'll do the filtering of that search query. We will write row query is equal to row query plus, and we are here passing where radio name like single quote, then we have percentage, then we are providing $sign, then we have search query here, then we have percentage, then we are closing it with a single quote. And what we are doing here is we are doing the filtering, and we are putting where radio name is like, and we are using the like operator over here, and we are providing the percentage so that the search text can be at the starting also and at the end also. That will be like a contain search, and dollar we are providing to use that variable in the string in the quotes. Then also we are checking the same in the radio description also, and we are using the OR operator here, and there we are passing radio description like, then we have percentage, and here we are providing $sign, then we have search query. Now here previously we are using the query and we are just passing the table name. Now we will change it to db.rowQuery, and here we are passing that row query here. Rest of the code will be same and there is no need of any change in this class. So now we will update that player provider.dart file, and here we are just calling that fetch local db, and in that fetch all radius we have to pass that parameter string search query is equal to empty, and here we are passing search query. So rest of the code is same, no need of any other changes over here. Now we will do that implementation in our radio page also, and we will call those methods which we have just updated. First of all, we will create one variable final underscore search query is equal to new text editing controller. Then we are using timer underscore debounce. I will explain that why we are using a timer or not. Now in that search bar text field we have to call our controller here. Controller is equal to controller, then we are passing search query. So now we will create a listener for that search query. We will add search query dot add listener, and here we are calling our method var radio provider is equal to provider of, and here we are providing that our provider name player provider. Context and listen is false. Now here we will check the condition. If debounce is active or not, then false, else we are just debounce dot cancel. Now here we are checking if the debounce is just active or not. If it is active, then we are just cancelling that debounce. Then we have debounce is equal to timer and constant duration. We are providing the in millisecond, that is 500 millisecond. Then we are calling here our method, that is radio provider dot fetch all radius, and then we are passing our search query. Search query dot text. What we are doing here is whenever any user type any of the keywords in that search bar, and it will check that debounce of that 500 millisecond. After the 500 millisecond, it will fetch that text and pass it to our method of fetch all radius, and it will return us the data from the SQLite database. So we have just implemented all the code. Now just run the application to see how our search will work. So here our application is running. So now we will do some searching here. We will search for Radio Canada and it will give us the result. So now suppose if I remove the Canada word, it's give me all the result from radios. That's all in this small video. I will come back soon with the new video and our fifth video of that series, which will be of that favorite section, and we will implement that favorite section. And our last video of sixth video, and we will implement the radio working with the audio, with the implementation audio player and all. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like, comment, share the video so that it will motivate me to do more and more videos on the channel. Thank you.